tight. Keep those abs tight. You're good. One more.
Dying already.
I feel really grouchy from the lack of food that I feel like I had all day.
And everyone else is eating yummy foods. I have salad with no dressing.
Khloe is definitely my favorite of the Kardashians.
Oh my gosh, I love Khloe. I've always rooted for her.
Khloe's body transformation was on point.
I feel like I'm just really nervous overall because I know how hard they work out from watching the show. They're like super dedicated to fitness and I'm not.
I don't have a relationship with fitness. Like, we're perfect strangers.
As a kid, I hated working out.
I did a lot of sports growing up because I was a little bit overweight.
I actually did sports my entire life. I was always pretty active. I did gymnastics and I danced.
Varsity tennis all throughout high school.
Started getting into musical theater and I started dancing a lot.
I did cross country and track. I was a captain for my volleyball team for 4 years.
College, that was a turn.
Yeah, ever since college, it's always kind of been on and off.
Now it's pretty non-existent. By the time we get to the 3rd floor of our apartment, I am out of breath.
Food became my friend and fitness, like, yeah.
I'm South American. Food is just super, super important in our culture. Just more about family and not really about counting the calories. I'm super excited for this challenge. My first goal would be to feel more in shape. I know that I can build up my stamina.
I don't think I'm trying to lose weight. That's definitely not one of my goals. I think I more so want to be more toned. Thought process is I'll eat whatever I want. Probably a better relationship with food.
Overall tone, hopefully lose a couple inches on my body, especially in my waist and hip area. It'd be really awesome if I could get that Khloe butt. Doesn't need to be that big, but it can be nice and bodacious.
Number 1, get fit and tone in all the right places. 2, to have more energy. My energy is depleted and not so great, so I really want to get back to a good, healthy energy level.
To be healthy, to tighten up in places, but still be like a curvy girl.
Hi, I'm Gunnar Peterson. You're in my gym in Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna put you through some of the workouts that pretty much everybody who comes here goes through. To make sure you budget the time, you have to treat this like a meeting, like a first date, like a job interview.
Any last final encouraging words as we take on this challenge?
Just get active.
Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Hey there, I'm trainer Kelsey Lee, and today I get to meet with the IPSY Beauties about their fitness and nutrition. I'm gonna pass this to you guys.
I see 12 almonds.
I have a question. Are there any cheat days?
Yes, there are what a lot of people would reference as cheat days, but let's ditch the cheat day mentality. It creates this negative connotation that surrounds what you're putting in your bodies and how you're living intentionally. Keep that in mind that fun food is totally okay. If you're gonna indulge, totally fine within the parameters of a small window of time and then you pick back up. Don't harp on yourself too much. We'll take measurements and so we can watch how your body composition is changing over these next 30 days. But we're not gonna worry about the scale. It's really just about body composition. We don't care if you stay the same weight.
Yeah.
We want things to tighten up and we want you to feel good.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. We are going to go through several of the moves and exercises that Gunnar showed you. We're gonna come down, hinge at the hips. You're good, one more.
Dying already.
Okay, rotate on that left toe.
My legs are shaking.
Mine are shaking too. I can't move it. So you're stretching and then you're isolating. 5 days a week, ideally about 45.
I was super pumped, super excited. Got all my items lined up here.
My husband has decided to do the challenge with me, so I have to make double of everything. I have my smoothie, and I'm drinking it on the way to work. It's not the best smoothie I've ever had.
Pretty good.
It's like taking a shot of alcohol, but doesn't do anything for you.
Week 1 was pretty tough. Cake, Victoria, I can't eat it. So, it's torture.
And everyone else is eating yummy foods. I have salad with no dressing.
Just ate this in less than 2 minutes, and I'm still hungry.
Here's my fiance eating and enjoying a bag of chips when he knows that chips are my absolute favorite to eat. I haven't had dinner, and I'm just really happy right now.
I didn't get a chance to work out today, but I'm gonna walk my dog looking fabulous because I feel good. You know, totally failing at this whole workout thing.
To walk sideways because it's so painful going down the stairs.
I've been having this terrible headache all day. My guess is that it's a sugar withdrawal.
I guess this is all I can buy. This doesn't seem to be on the list. We got the chicken, we have some salmon. I work hard, and it's extremely depressing.
Surrounded by Chipotle, In-N-Out, and so many fast food places, but
Sorry.
gotta give my husband the almonds, and we're gonna head home to make some dinner.
Definitely was a bit tougher for me. This right here is a baby fajita burrito. I just showered. I felt like I was washing off all my sins. I just ate a fajita burrito and like 6 tubs of chips. Not the best dinner. Not to walk my dogs.
I was very like energetic and motivated.
This meal plan helped me focus more on nutrition and working out. Can you hear me breathing? This is like not attractive. How do you sweat cute? As soon as someone tells me that and working out becomes fun for me, then I'll be excited.
Just got back from a long weekend of skiing. Got some exercise in a little bit.
Kicking off week 3 with shredding and probably some whiskey.
My food choices were not terrible, but not great. It wasn't like, oh my God, give me like 10 boxes of donuts or anything like that. So that's progress.
The first thing I purchased with my check, a Fitbit. I wanted to be able to have something to keep me accountable. Ran into my lovely neighbor Irene, and we're both twinning with Fitbits.
She's doing great.
She's beating me.
Well, I had a couple trips planned before I agreed to this. As far as diet, that kind of went out the door, but my hotel had a very nice gym.
And week 4 was just putting the whole package together, like working out, eating right. On my way home from the airport, I had L&L barbecue today, but I didn't eat too much. I accidentally ate rice, but then I went up to the counter and asked them for more veggies. Look.
Did cardio and I did some workouts for my routine, and I'm not gonna lie, this morning I did not feel like getting up and going to the gym.
I learned that you just gotta get up and go.
I just finished a workout. I've been really sick.
You can't just lay in your bed and like scroll through your phone and then fall into this black hole of social media because there's no turning back.
Trying to get myself back together so I'm not a mess during the final weigh-in.
I learned a lot about self-discipline.
And I am treating myself to some strawberries because apparently these are dessert, so it's a treat, right?
I was craving more things like sweets and saltiness and carbs. When you work for an office, there are birthdays. So birthdays equal cake. And I want a piece of cake and I'm dying. How's the cake?
This is the worst cake I've ever had in my life. I'm miserable.
I'm glad.
This meal plan helped me figure out how to budget my food. If I knew I was going to a fancy dinner on Saturday night, then I would eat clean for that whole week. Today is meal prep day, and what I'm working on right now, this is grass-fed, lean ground beef. Add some broccoli in here, the whole bag.
Oh yeah, I am ready to take on the week.
The widest point at the top. Good job.
I lost a ½ inch of my neck.
So chest, arms up. Yes. Nice, you came down quite a bit. And then the waist, right?
I've worked hard.
The thing that I loved about the challenge was definitely the results. It's definitely was like a labor of love.
It was amazing to feel the positive changes outer and inner.
I lost some inches, everyone lost some inches. We're all very proud of ourselves and proud of each other.
If you eat well, then your body is going to show it, and it's going to glow. My skin has gotten better since.
I am happy. I think this really pushed me to just keep going.
Congratulations, you guys have all had significant change and you didn't have to kill yourselves over it. You had some good guidelines to follow. This was a really successful 30-day test run. From here, we can kind of look at what worked, what didn't, and then move forward from there.
Overall, this whole month, I learned that it's not just about being physically strong, it's about being mentally strong.
We stuck to it, we did the best that we could, and it showed that there were some great results.
I've always been confident. It's really more confidence from within, and that's great. It's a great feeling.
Kind of turned into a habit. I think it's like if you do something for 17 days, it becomes a habit. So setting myself up for like this journey that I'm going to continue on.
We're all very proud of ourselves and proud of each other.
It's not really about losing weight. It's really about feeling good and doing things that will make you feel good in the end.
I think beauty is all about self-care. I think in essence, that's what beauty is. And that also comes in with your diet.
When you work out, you eat well, and you stay patient, your body will definitely reward you. We did it,
You Wait a minute, we are missing somebody, right? We're missing somebody.
Started with 5, now there are 4.
I'm on a shoot. Sorry I missed the group final results, but I did get some good results, so I'm pretty excited about that.